Hi everyone. My name is Abel Kantoma from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers. Okay. Today I'm excited. I'm going to be showing you Protastructure 2024. Now I want us to go through this software together. Okay. All I need to do now is to click on New Project. I will select my template, UKBS code, and I will type in the project name. Let's say propose 3-bedroom duplex, for example. Now, like you can't use space. You have to use any of these characters to space this. You can't use the space. It won't work here. Okay, so I will click on OK. All right. All right. So, okay, let's come to modeling. Try to use the orthogonal axis. Let's see what we can just achieve quickly with it. Okay. All right, this is what we have. Let me insert the stories. Let's say true. The story height 3 meters. So I'll come to my story 1. And let's use the column. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so let's say 230 by 230 column. By the way, you can insert them one by one if you want. We're just having a little overview of what we can do with this software. Let's come to our beam. Okay, normal wall coupling beam. Okay, this is actually new. It was not there in previous versions. I think I have to close this tab before I can select this. So 230, which is 450, and let me just insert them this way. Okay, here we are. Let's come to our view, 3D physical model. Oh, amazing. All right, let me come to view here, and I'll use my tile vertical. So I have this in plan view, I have this in 3D. All right, let me copy these to the next story. All right, good. We are in this. I will come to these beams and I will select all of them. Hold on Shift and I will right click. Let's go to the properties. Okay. So this is a roof beam. Let me change the depth to 300. Okay. Amazing. All right, let's come to story 1. Select this first beam, right click, and I'll click on edit load. Click yes. Okay, I need to do my load combination. Click on OK. Load cases, click on OK. And I'll click on OK. Okay, we are here. Let's come to our Warload. See what's happening here. Okay, the thickness of the wall 230. I'll make this 3.43. And I will click this to insert that Warload. So if you don't click it, it may not reflect. But let me try this all over again. There is something I'm trying to understand here as regards to this Warload. Seems like there is a okay 3.43. Okay, I thought it will update itself automatically without clicking. Okay, you have to click. Yeah, you have to click. Let me just sorry, I'm just trying to go through this process to understand what exactly is going on. See, can I update this? All right. All right, let me click on OK. So we are here now. You can see the Warload here. I will copy the load, click on OK, and I will highlight. Once I paste, even though you can see the columns are highlighted, but the Warload can only be on Beam, so the software will automatically ignore the columns. Okay, so you can just do it this way to make it easier and faster for you. Okay. Okay. Let's insert our slab. Let's see. 150. So let me insert them and see. Okay. So I will set slab types automatically. Set all slabs in the story. I'll click OK. I'll click OK. So it will do all that for you automatically. So when you click, this is 3 edges, this continuous. This is one long edge discontinuous, if I'm not mistaken. So you can double check. This will just do that for you automatically anyway. And then when you come to review, you can relabel members. Very important. You can relabel members from left top to right bottom is the best. Leave it like this, click OK. So everything has been relabeled. Okay, let's analyze this and see what we have. Okay, it's still loading. If you love what you are seeing, make sure you just like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Still loading. We would have to wait. Okay, good. The analysis is done successfully. Let's look at the well, that's not where I really want to even pay attention to, but okay, everything passed fine. Let's see interactive design. Okay. We will kick off from here in the next episode, and I'm going to see you in the next episode. Make sure you stay safe and stay blessed.